Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Many Yahoo Mail users often wonder where to find the settings gear icon. This is a common question. You might want to adjust your email theme, manage notifications, or change other account preferences. Finding that specific gear icon is essential for making these customizations. In Yahoo Mail, the settings gear icon is consistently located in the top right corner of your screen. You should look for a small, distinct cogwheel symbol. It typically sits right next to your profile picture or your display name. Sometimes, you will spot it near the bell icon, which indicates notifications. When you click on this cogwheel, a clear drop-down menu will immediately appear. This menu presents you with several important options. You can click on More settings to open a comprehensive preferences page. This page allows for detailed adjustments to your email experience. You can also quickly select a new theme or modify your display density directly from this initial menu. If you do not see the gear icon right away, there are a couple of things you can check. First, ensure you are fully logged into your Yahoo Mail account. Second, verify that your web browser window is maximized. On smaller screens or unmaximized windows, some interface elements might be temporarily hidden or grouped together for space. It's also worth noting that the Yahoo Mail interface can sometimes receive updates. This means the precise placement might shift very slightly over time. However, the top right corner remains the primary and most reliable location. Always keep an eye out for that familiar cogwheel. It truly is your direct gateway to customizing and personalizing your entire Yahoo Mail inbox experience. Simply click it to begin making your email exactly how you like it.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.